Actually, we started our journey from 2016 with 40 megawatt, and we are right now we have a fully automatic facility with 600 megawatt. Majorly, we are doing in residential sector. We have a total 472 EPC player who is a daily work with us right now.
Challenges like we need to produce the modules to for catering the needs of Indian players, which presently the Indian market is growing, and we are trying to reach at least 20 to 30% of the total capacity of the requirement. But it will take some time because the new players are coming down. So the existing players are going into an expansion for the gigawatt scale. So it will take some time for catering the needs of Indian players. See, we need to depend for the monopoly cells which are imported, because we don't have the monopoly cells manufactured here, because we need to get the wafers from we need to import and we need to make the cells here. So for some of the cells or for some of the raw materials we need to import them. So we need to depend on the other countries.
Major challenges is their exemption, their extension the policy of the ALMM. So they are majorly effect on us because of the demand is less as compared to the 3 months back. So this is a very big challenges to all the manufacturers because of the ALMM extension. And second is a BCD. Their Chinese player has been given a very competitive rate as compared to the Indian manufacturer. So it is the most challenging point of all the manufacturer. And about the technology, we are launching TopCon technology as soon as in the Indian market. We are launching our 670 watt peak panels in the Indian market as soon as.
South, some parts, the government is giving us they are supporting us by giving the subsidy schemes. But in some areas where the DISCOMs and the state nodal agencies, they are not supporting us. Because see, if there is no market there, there is no support from the state government, then we are facing a little bit trouble. So we need to concentrate more on the commercial and industrial sector. So there are some parts of southern India where there is 50-50 support from the government and state and nodal agencies. So we are facing a lot of issues there. Still we are trying to get some orders from the end clients.
So good potential for the Indian manufacturer because of Indian government has given 500 gigawatt more addition for the entire for the renewable, and especially in a solar. So this is a huge opportunity for the solar manufacturing, but we are depending on totally on a Chinese player. So if in future raw material manufacturer will become over there, then it will be easy to cater the market. I think so. I think so. MNRE has been given relaxation on ALMM and give us some good policy for the MSME solar manufacturer. So it will be good to all. I think so.